Welcome to my shop. Today on Built from Basics. No! Dang it! Ah. Our first scrap run. First outing. So we get the garbage.
I mean materials.
Materials. The basics. Because that's what it's all about. The basics. Never get used to those janky roads out here. It goes straight, but then it turns into gravel. But then you can take that to get just a little further out on 101. Which is nutty. You know, I wonder if we still rode horses and you came upon a stop sign and you just went through, could you blame it on the horse?
It wasn't my fault, officer.
It was this filly. Let me tell you.
Jimmy literally has a mind of his own sometimes.
He could have lead feet, right? Lead horse. Yeah, there's tons of stuff along the road here. Not here exactly, but up here. The other here, you know. The here we're about to be. So I guess it's a there.
Right.
But it's going to be a here in a second. Or maybe not a second, but maybe a minute. That looks interesting. See all of that stuff?
None of that there lowbrow garbage.
It might be. I really don't know what kind of garbage browse it has. But we're going to browse what that garbage has. I have no idea where to park here. I feel like I could kind of just park alongside here maybe. I think I could just, you know, kind of pull up right here. Maybe? Would I get towed? By a toad? We're not really in anyone's way. I'm gonna do it. This is a free country. America. Alright. It's like part of a jet. That's not what we want. Now that I've dropped it on the ground, am I littering?
If you picked it up off the ground, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know.
There's some wooden stuff. Look at all that. See, look at that. We've got some wood.
Yeah, that could be useful.
Yeah. It's just like side of the road. This one's got a lot of holes in it. Probably not the best quality, but might as well take it. Wow. So that's that lowbrow stuff that I was talking about. Nasty.
F-18.
That's cool. Okay, that could do stuff.
Maybe it could go
What do you think of a
Mach
tarp?
2. How about this? We can measure things.
Actually, yes! We have a tape measure! Oh my goodness! That's amazing!
What do you reckon? 5 feet there? 6 maybe?
And it probably doesn't start at 0. But we have a tape measure. I can like just start at 200. There we go. 200. Yeah! That'll work. Yeah, the rest is probably gonna just break first, but the rest of it.
That's what we call in the biz rusty.
Rusty gold. I didn't know you were in the biz of garbage collecting.
I mean, I am now.
Rusty gold. It is yellow. That works. I don't think I'm keeping it. You can have it if you want.
We're not gonna make a project. People like skulls, Ryan.
No, I don't think so. It's not that I don't like the skull, it's that I don't like the hair. I guess I could try cleaning it up though. There's room in the bag. Scully. Grab Scully on.
I just won that.
You did win. Interesting. A lot more metal already than I was thinking. I was guessing a lot of wood because of lumber trucks out here. Tire treads. Maybe eventually. Yeah.
Woo!
Handle.
It's a tire.
Huh. It's got these little wires in it.
Yeah.
Shows you how much I know about tires.
Technically, everything is before Christmas.
Yard sale. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.
Did we miss it?
Saturday. I think we missed it. I'm guessing. But I think we missed it.
More tire.
So, paper, also could be useful.
Hey Ryan, what did the prince wear to the ball?
I'm not answering that.
A tire.
No. All right, let's go. Oh. Nice.
A belt.
That's good too. Yeah. Yes. All right. Sure. Let's look it up. There we go. All right.
At least you have a trunk.
That's true. I'm sorry. Wait, am I sorry for having it?
Go for it.
I'm thinking.